Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the functional group. The structure contains AC is equal to O group bonded to an NH, making it an amide. Moving on to the next step. Identify the acyl, carbonyl, side chain. Starting from the carbonyl carbon, we count C is equal to O, CH2, 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 Cl. This is a 4-carbon chain with a chloro substituent at C4, the terminal carbon. The parent acid would be 4-chlorobutanoic acid, so the acyl portion is named 4-chlorobutanamide. Moving on to the next step. Identify the N substituent. On the nitrogen side, NH, CH2, CH2, CH, Cl, CH3. Counting from the nitrogen, C1 is CH2, C2 is CH2, C3 is CH, Cl, C4 is CH3. This is a 4-carbon chain, butyl, with a chloro group at C3, counting from the nitrogen attachment point. Wait, re-examine NH, CH2, CH2, CH, Cl, CH3, the nitrogen is attached to C1, CH2, then C2, CH2, then C3, CH, Cl, then C4, CH3. So this is a 3-chlorobutyl group. And for the final step, assemble the name. The compound is an amide where the acyl group comes from 4-chlorobutanoic acid and the N substituent is a 3-chlorobutyl group. The full IUPAC name is 4-chloro-N-3-chlorobutyl butanamide. Verify numbering. For the N substituent, numbering starts at the carbon attached to nitrogen, C1, C2, C3, Cl, C4, Me, confirming 3-chlorobutyl. For the acyl chain, numbering starts at the carbonyl carbon, C1, C is equal to O, C2, C3, C4, Cl, confirming 4-chlorobutanamide. Therefore, the correct answer is 4-chloro-N-3-chlorobutyl butanamide. The correct answer is shown on screen.